Hi guys, I'm about to show you in this video how to set up the HelloLEADS app inside your sub account. So let's get started. At the level for App Marketplace, once you search for the app, you go at the install and then allow install. You're asked to provide some credentials in order to get the installation going. So let's do it right away. Provide the API key and the email address. Perfect. And you have success. The tool is already installed, and the next step is to go at the custom page in order to access the tool. But if you notice, we can see the tool here, which means that we need to refresh the page. Let's do it right away. Here we are. Let's scroll down. Perfect. So this is the new interface of the HelloLead CRM. So we have the documentation, the tutorials, and the setup. At the level of documentation, if you go at the view, see all the instructions, the steps that you follow in order to set up the at the level of tutorials, you have the smart Q guide that shows you how to get all the credentials. And down here, you have the set video. And finally, the setup, which gives you the status of the app. If it shows that the app is not connected, you have the possibility to get it connected here. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.